If you're a traveling fanatic and you're just always on the go, this little guy right here is perfect for the hotel. Or if you just want to clean up your cable mess on your desk, this is perfect. So if you enjoy using the benefits of a wireless charger, you got to check this guy out right here. So this is a super fast wireless charging. It's going to charge up to 15 watts on each of these different magnet charging ports. Check that out. You got your phone, you got your watch, and then you got your AirPods on the other side of this. Now you see it all opened up. Let me show you exactly how it works. All right, so check this out. So you just need one cable. Now it does come with the cable, but you're probably gonna use this cable if you don't know that this cable is a fast charging cable. Not all cables are created equal. So this cable is gonna be a super fast cable for you as well. You can use that for charging or you can use that for data transfer. Sometimes I'll do that as well. You're going to get this PD brick. The only thing that you need to know about PD is that it up to a certain level and then it'll slow down. It'll kind of save your battery, right? So think of it as like a bulk charge and then it kind of slows down when it gets those high charging levels. It helps to conserve battery life for you. Now, before I show this thing, this is pretty cool. I usually don't even attach them or install them, but this one is making me reconsider that because it's not just a holder. It's actually a cable in disguise. Check that out. They made these usable again, right? So if this was just a string, I probably would not attach it. This is a cable that's a fast charging cable, but it's not going to give you much room, but it also acts as a leash for this guy. So you can hook it up right on the corner of here and put that together. So if you want to hook this up to a backpack, you can, because you can pull this out. It will not come out pulling it this way. It only comes out if you pull it up like that. To me, that's a unique feature that I haven't really seen on a lot of these, where they actually give you a cable and not just a cord here. All right, onto the main attraction really quick. You can check this out right here. You can throw your watch on here, right? You can get that charging. You can throw your AirPods on here or your wireless charging pack right here. You can get all these things to charge, and then you can throw your phone right here if you have a wireless charging phone or phone case. And you can see right here it's giving me fast charging. Even though the other two are charging as well, I'm still getting fast charging on my phone. But another cool thing is, let's say you don't have a watch that you want to charge right now, you don't have earbuds that you want to charge right now, you can actually just slap that on. You can put it at any different angle that you want. So you can actually use this as a kickstand. So if you're at a hotel right next to your bed stand, whatever, you can use this as a stand and watch a show or whatever as you're falling asleep. This is pretty versatile where you can do that. This is pretty unique with the cable that's not a tie. And other than that, it's small, it's sleek, it's portable. So what's not to love? It's going to charge your phone really fast. So if you travel or you just want to clean up your desk space, this might be a solid pickup for you.